Okay guys, so today is the day that 04 Duramax finally gets its grill. That bow tie looks so good, guys. Check that out. That's awesome. But anyway, I just gave it a quick bath here. I'm gonna do a few other upgrades to this thing before I drop this grill in there. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm just doing a quick buff on this just because the new grill is going to be so shiny and new. If I stick it on the old paint, even if it is a good match, it isn't going to look very good. It's going to look like it's not matching. But I just did this side of the hood. You can see there's some scratches and stuff I'm going to have to touch up. But I mean, you can see this side and this side. I mean, there's quite a difference there. You look at the reflection. And you can see there's quite a bit of oxidation on this paint. But I'm just going to go one quick round on this. And we should be good. Actually, I'm just going to do the front fenders and the hood here. Do the rest another day. Not perfect, but a lot better. Okay, so I got her buffed out. It is not perfect by any means, but way better than it was. So I've been putting my grill together here. Got my emblem in there. I actually got the nuts on the back side. Before they were just sitting there. And then I also installed this insert. Dad had this on there originally, and that was to cover the damage when he hit a bird or something. And I found these on eBay or something. It was cheap. I guess there's something wrong with this. It's stamped wrong or something. I don't know. There's like no holes right there. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. You wouldn't be able to tell that. But this was it was polished stainless. And you can see what I've done is, you can see it's not polished anymore because I took some soapy water and a scuff pad and I scuffed it all down, so now it looks it's got like a brushed finish on it, which I think really looks neat. So I'm going to roll with that right now. I got to do something to cover up that damage, so that's what I did. I really like it. So this is actually ready to go back in. Okay, so to go along with my new grill I'm installing, I found these really cool lights that I'm going to install. The old ones they're old. They're getting all smoky and stuff, so I figured I'd pick these up. Actually, I saw these and thought they were so cool that I had to have them. And I wish they would make these for like the 99 to 02, but they don't. They must not make made enough trucks or whatever. So anyway, I got a set here that I'm going to give a try. For those of you that haven't seen these, I'll leave links or whatever so you can check them out yourself. But they are a direct fit. They just pop in just like the factory ones. I believe 03 to 07, Silverado, and then you've got some avalanches that it'll also fit. But these are new lights, but the cool thing is you see that white ring around it. Well, that is actually a daytime running light, or actually whatever you want it to be, which is really neat, I think. I think it's supposed to be like a daytime running light. They got wires coming out of it, red and black, so positive, negative. So you can really hook these up any way you want. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook them up to a switched power source, so when you turn the key on, they come on. I don't think I'm going to waste my time with the daytime running lights because I want them on all the time. So that's pretty cool, guys, I think. So if that's not cool enough, these actually come in a set of headlights and parking lights. Yes, you can see they light up. Now the camera's showing it to be a little brighter than it actually is. I think that's going to really be neat, guys. Like I said, probably going to just hook this up to a switched power source to have them on. They actually want you to go to the side marker, so when you turn your parking lights on, this comes on. But I think I'm going to do my own wiring and figure this out. And then another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this whole parking light into parking light and turn signal, both amber. Right now it's parking turn, and then you've got the daytime running light. So I'm going to eliminate the daytime running light in the parking light lens. So that's going to be neat. So I gotta stop babbling and get to work and to get this done. So first thing I gotta start doing is I gotta get rid of this daytime running light plug, and I'm gonna replace it with a 3-wire, basically the same plug as this one is. I'm just gonna tap into the wires. I'm gonna tap right into the same wires that this socket uses. Just gonna eliminate the daytime running light for now. So I got to do that. I've got some AC Delco plugs that I'm going to give a try. Okay, so I got my parking lights done, rewired. You can see they function like, or they both lights function as parking lights, and they also both function as a turn signal. How I did that was these have a corner light, and because this light is basically eliminating that. I just grabbed those two wires, which is a parking light and a turn signal. So I grabbed those, put them on my new plug that I got, my AC Delco one. Actually, it's a really nice plug. I like that. A little more expensive than the cheaper ones, but I think it's worth it. And then I grabbed the ground off of the original daytime running light. So that's how I grounded them. And that works out really good. So there you can see they're both turn signals. So the daytime running light's been eliminated in the traditional spot. So I just got to figure out what I'm doing with these, the glow things around the light. To figure out what I'm doing with all those. And yeah, get this wired up. Got everything, the back installed. I got the lights anyway, the grill. And I have to say it looks pretty cool even with the lights not on. So I think it looks really good. Really liking it. But I think I'm going to get this video out and I'm going to work on the light later on. I got to figure out what I'm doing. I'm going back and forth on what I want to do for lighting those up. So I don't want to just quick do something and then, you know, not like it and have to change it. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do, and when I do it, I'll get a video out. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Did quite a bit anyway, some buffing and stuff like that. So did quite a bit on this video, so I'm going to get this one out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I guess maybe let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty darn good. I'll see you guys.